Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean our microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then of course you risk damaging the port. Although you might get some things out of there, then you can damage it, and it's pretty bad. We don't want it. So stick with something like a soft brush, then you guys are good to go. And what I like to do next after cleaning my microphone, and our microphone is of course at the bottom, what we're gonna do now is make sure that our microphone is working. So we want to check it. I always like to use the voice recorder app from Samsung. Let me quickly turn up the brightness a little. And here we're gonna click next, and start. Now make sure to click while using the app. So make sure that it picks up audio. Tap here and click allow here. So as you guys can see, this is our voice being recorded right now. Now once I stop talking for a few seconds, the line just goes straight. So that means it's not recording. Of course, we can go here, we can save it, and now let me quickly turn off the volume in case our microphone works, and click allow here. So it works. Now what we can do next is go over and restart it. This is very important to refresh the entire system. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume down button, and hold it until we see this menu. Now tap restart and tap again. This is a quick fix for everything. Now we get rid of any minor glitches on our device, and it refreshes our system overall. So that's great. So I'll see you guys once it restarted. After the restart, as a last resort, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update our software to fix any mic glitches. So we wanna go over to the settings. Now swipe down until we see the software update. It's almost at the bottom. And here we're gonna click download and install. But let me first connect to the Wi-Fi. Now it's checking for updates. As you guys can see, my software is up to date. I'm on the One UI 8.0 and I'm on the Android version 16. So if you guys have some updates here, you will have a button at the bottom to download and install them. Make sure you do that. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches from old software. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.